Hi guys! So another quick withdrawal proof na naman tayo dito sa Pocket Option. This time, mag-withdraw tayo ng $200 or 11,500 pesos. So tara, punta tayo sa Finance tapos Withdrawal. Ayan, napaka-straightforward lang. I-fill up lang natin yung payment information natin dito. Yan, amount $200, first name, last name, phone number. Ito yung GCash phone number nyo pala. Tapos yung address nyo ilagay nyo lang din. Pagkatapos, i-click nyo lang yung continue. Ayan, withdrawal request has been sent. I-check din natin yung email natin kasi magsisend sila ng email sa atin yan. Ayan see? New withdrawal request for $206 via GCash. So, i-update ko kayo kapag pumasok na yung withdraw natin sa GCash account natin. Kasi, ipaprocess pa nila to. So, see you. Hi guys, so na-receive na natin yung email from DragonPay na pumasok na daw yung withdraw natin sa Pocket Option. So tara, i-check natin ang ating GCash account. Maglalagin lang ako saglit at para maipakita ko sa inyo yung transaction details or yung transaction history kung pumasok na ba talaga. Transaction history, ayun. Ayan today from gumagamit talaga yung Pocket Option ng Union Bank para isend yung pera sa GCash. Yun lang guys, sabi ko nga quick proof lang to. See you and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.